This video you will witness honey ginger glaze chicken leg recipe and an Indian chicken marinade for your grill. I'm making this recipe on the charcoal grill. I have 6 whole chicken legs right here, drum and the thigh, both with the skin on. We will make some deep cuts on the thigh. So 1 deep cut, 2 deep cut on the thigh, on the leg 1 and 2. Turn around the chicken leg, again 1 big deep cut, and it should be 2 at the thigh as well. If you guys see, this is how it's gonna look. So we have 4 cuts from the front side and 3 cuts at the back side. 3 legs will go in here. This will be our honey ginger glazed chicken legs. So easy, right? Deeper cuts until you feel the bone. For the honey ginger glaze, you will need your blender juicer. This is all fresh recipe. You will need at least fresh ginger. If I can find where's the ginger. So you will need fresh ginger, at least 200 grams of fresh ginger. Just like that. Just dice the ginger. 200 grams of fresh gingers. They all go in here. This is our brown sugar. 1 whole tablespoon of this is raw organic honey. Okay, as the recipe says, it's a honey glazed, so you need to add at least 2 tablespoons of honey in there. 7 to 8 tablespoons of any kind of oil you prefer. Use olive oil, it's all okay. I'm using corn oil in this. Since it's a grill recipe, we will add half tablespoon of regular table salt. Okay, half tablespoon just for the kick, for the black pepper. Let's blend this. Honey and ginger glazed recipe is right here, guys. Let's blend this. Take a look on the paste. So delicious looking paste. It goes straight on top of our 3 chicken legs. This is what it is. We will put this on the side. We'll give this a rinse. Now we are making the Indian Tandoori marinade for our 3 whole chicken legs right here for the grill. Alright, for the Indian Tandoori version, again guys, we will give cut to our chicken legs same way. The front side should have 2 on the drumstick and the 2 on the thigh, all deep. At the back, just 1 deeper here and 2 on the thigh as well, again, just like that. And here is our another marination bowl. I'll put this right here. Alright, all 3 legs. The first thing in here, we will add turmeric powder. This is Indian Tandoori chicken leg. So half tablespoon of turmeric powder. This is red chili powder. It's called Kashmiri. You will add at least 2 tablespoons. Here is our dry spice blender, guys. This is coriander, half tablespoon. This is carom seed, half tablespoon. This is black cumin, half tablespoon. Cloves, half tablespoon. Cinnamon stick, at least 1 whole big chunk for the 3 legs. This is fennel seed, half tablespoon. Alright, the best part now, we will grind these guys. Let's grind this in our dry spice blender. This is what you will get, guys. We will add straight right on top of our, the chicken legs, Indian style tandoori chicken leg. 1 whole tablespoon of salt goes in here. Black pepper, again guys, half tablespoon goes in here. Wet ingredients for this recipe. It's a little bit time consuming, but I'm 100% sure this is Indian recipe. They put ton of spices in here, so we are almost there with some. Alright, oil, at least 10 tablespoons. Fresh cloves of garlic, 5 or 6 fresh cloves. If you have a lime, definitely use that. Half without the skin, just the lime. Half of the onion bulb, just dice it and add it. 50 grams of fresh ginger. For the Indian Tandoori marinade for the grill, at least 4 fresh green chilies goes in here. Alright guys, let's blend this. This is the green veggie blend. I mean the vegetables right here. All of it right on top. It's all okay. Our honey ginger glaze chicken is right here. Let's put our hand in. Just massage it. Make sure it's all into deep cuts. In an hour, we will put this onto the skewers, you know. So it's gonna be a wonderful recipe. All right. They are all marinated at this time. This is our tandoori chicken, guys. Take a look here. Indian version. How beautiful it looks. It has dry ingredients. It has the wet ingredients as well. OMG, the color pop. Tandoori, Indian tandoori. It's carrying a lot of flavors in here. A homemade version. It's not like you're grabbing packets from the market and you're just adding it. So at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar goes in here. Look at the seasoning it's carrying. Amazing. Alright guys, our marinations are done. We have to wait just 1 hour. Put these marination, cover it with the lid and put it in the fridge. I'll see you after 1 hour when my grill is on. Guys, 2 beautiful marinations of the chicken leg, whole leg. Honey ginger glazed, which is right here. It's been exactly 1 hour. And this is our Indian tandoori marinade, guys. Look at this. How beautiful colors they have. So these are our skewers. Our charcoal grill is right there. I have put some bricks on it. So just to create exact, you know, the space between the heat and, you know, where we are putting our meat. So here it is, guys. Honey glazed chicken leg. We'll put this skewer. So we have to just make sure the leg stays right on top. So it goes just like that. So good, right? Just like that. So this is our Indian, the tandoori marinade. OMG, it looks so good, man. A biggest leg piece, just like that. The minimum time frame for this recipe is 15 minutes. So 6-7 minutes each side. We will be keep moving our skewers. If you guys see, just like that. Just keep moving it. It's on the charcoal grill. Yes sir, look at this. Yum. So guys, it's been exactly 15 minutes. This is our Indian tandoori chicken. What a beautiful char it has. What a beautiful it looks. Just to show you guys, here it is. Home marinated, home cooked, ginger glazed. Wow, man. Here it is. Perfect. Ginger honey glazed chicken leg right here. Tandoori chicken leg is right here. Take a look on this. Right? So here you go. Enjoy this delicious recipe, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do make this easy, simple. Honey glazed chicken. Wonderfully done. Fully cooked. Perfectly juiced up. Perfectly ready, guys. Yum, man. Yum. Chicken. Ooh, super hot. It has the char. The meat is fully cooked. I'll see you on the day after tomorrow. Subscribe the channel, like the video, share this video with your friends and family so they can make this recipe, these 2 recipes, steaming hot. Whew. Anyway guys, thank you. Bye bye for now.